Hey, my name is Shmuel Khan. I am currently a major in accounting with a minor in political science. I am a sophomore at USF. I will be graduating in the year 2023. I am making this video for my ACG 2021 class, Accounting with Professor Jong Chul Park. Okay, this is the first slide. It shows each state in the rows. It shows the sum of in the columns. As you can see, you click on it, you could see the total value in dollars of sales from each state. This shows you the average of sales in the columns, the state in the rows. As you can see, it also shows you the average sales from each state. So, for example, in Nevada, an average sale from an insurance company would be 669. Okay, this shows you the total number of sales from each state. It also shows you the states in the rows and the sales in the columns. In this slide, you see the regions of the United States. You see the total value in dollars of sales from each region of the United States. In this slide, you see in the rows, you see the region. You see the salesperson from each region. And in the columns, you see the total value of dollars from each person in each region of the United States per salesperson. This chart just shows you the regions and insurance type in the columns, the total of sales in the rows. It also shows you the type of sales from each region, whether it be professional, auto, home, disability, or life for each thing. This is just a brief highlighted thing of each sum of sales in the United States. The trend that I see from here is that the Northeast reports the most amount of money of profit for sales for insurance stuff. Another trend I see is that when the average amount of money made from each sale is higher, the sales from each state are generally a little lower. Also, that a large number of sales doesn't necessarily correlate with high number of profit. I will also, if I was a manager, I would try to figure out how to make sure the average amount of money made from each sale is higher. I'm a little concerned with the other regions outside of the Northeast that they are not profitable enough. If I was a manager, I would try to make the Midwest, Southeast, Northeast, and other areas more profitable. The troubling thing I'm a little worried about is why life insurance sales are so low. I also, if I was a manager, I want to know whether it is the state that just produces more or whether it's a salesperson that's hurting the total value of sales.